You want the one in the TV where you go through the TV?
Yeah.
Yeah. I want to try the was it the gum?
I was expecting it to be bigger after seeing all that.
Well, the factory's big. This is just the museum part.
Yeah.
It looks like a church almost, you know? With all the stained glass.
That's a church I'd go to. That's a real person. That's a real person.
Just entire wall of chocolate manufacturing. Okay, so it's just showing the individual ingredients, right?
Yeah.
Nougat. Cocos.
Yeah, cracked one open one time. It's a hard shell. Looks just like an almond.
Can you
Crazy.
buy these in the store?
Not in the store, but I'm pretty sure you can order them online.
Yeah, there's a deer and bunny.
Oh dear, a deer.
Oh dear. Also, this idiot just walking around.
Onsdag kaufen können. Im Jutesäcken verpackt gelandet.
Dude, look at the squirrel.
I like this one. It's pretty. I'm telling you, there's not chocolate in these.
But there might be.
I bet you there.
Oh, I think it's just showing us pictures. It's not here. Look how happy that guy is. Oh, stereo.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Hello?
Oh, yeah.
Hello?
Hello?
Excuse me, chocolate?
Dad? Please put that in the video.
It's just a giant grocery store of chocolate. What is that? I'm thirsty. It's a meter of chocolate. It feels like, you know those discount bread stores? Or like the stores that sell all the expired bread and stuff? But it's not expired and it's all chocolate. It was a little bit different than I was expecting, but I mean, glad we did it, because now we can say we did it.
Misery resumes.
Got our ice cold bag of Choco.
Have we eaten it all today?
Hey. Hey. Oh, you haven't checked in that room yet, have you?